Welcome to MsDisneyReviews. Let's check out this box. This is a Play-Doh set called Transformers Autobot Workshop. With this set, you can roll in vehicles and robots will pop out. This is the base, and you can attach 4 cans of Play-Doh at one end. There are 4 robot molds to choose from. And you can transform these vehicles into these cool robots. Which one's your favorite? Here's black, yellow, silver, and blue Play-Doh included. Also, you get a roller, knife, and a rolling cutter. So let's start with Optimus Prime truck. Just add some Play-Doh. This is a sparkly one. And here's a truck. Next, you choose the blue Optimus Prime. And the vehicle rolls in. Press it down. And as soon as you let it go, a robot pops out. This is so cool. So now let's get out the excess Play-Doh. And here we have the cool Optimus Prime. The back has a little print too. Let's see him dance. Hey, you look pretty cool. Thank you. And now it's time to cut up Optimus Prime. Now let's try our favorite Bumblebee with this yellow Play-Doh. And here's the Bumblebee car. So now it's time to transform this car into a really cool Bumblebee Robot. There's the yellow Bumblebee. And here comes the robot. He's so cute. Hey, check it out. Here's a baby Bumblebee. You can make a little path with this roller and cutter. There are 2 molds at the end. That's neat. Here is Starscream, I think. Cool pattern. Here is Starscream landing. And now it's time to transform. Here's a cutter. And here's how it looks like. The details are amazing. Check out the nose. Hey, you look pretty cool. Thank you, Optimus Prime. And now for the last one. I guess this one's Megatron. This black Play-Doh is cool. And here's our final robot. This is amazing. I like this one. So let me know which one was your favorite, and please do subscribe to my channel MsDisneyReviews for other fun videos. Thank you.